In this video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and set up the Ulaa browser. The browser built specifically to respect your privacy, protect your personal data, and upgrade the way you work online. To get started, first visit the Ulaa browser official website. You'll immediately see their core promise: private, secure, super fast. Click the prominent Download for Windows button. A new window will pop up asking you to accept the license agreement. After reviewing the terms, click Accept and Download. The installer file will then start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, click on it to begin the installation process. The Ulaa Update Assistant will configure the program, and then you'll be asked to choose your installation level. Either install Ulaa for all the users on this device, or install Ulaa for the current user only. Select the option that best fits your needs and click Install. After the installation is complete, the Ulaa browser will open with a welcome screen inviting you to start your setup. Click Let's Get You Set Up. The first screen you'll see is the Customize Modes section. Ulaa's standout feature is its ability to adapt to your needs, offering 5 distinct modes you can enable or disable: Work for professional focus, Developer for technical tasks, Personal, the default mode for leisure and personal use, Open Season, likely a less restricted mode for general browsing, and Kids for safe, controlled browsing. In this case, I've enabled all the modes and set Personal mode as my default. Once done, click Continue. Since I kept the Kids mode enabled, the next screen will prompt me to set up Kids mode parental control. I will quickly enter a password to secure this mode and then click on Continue. Now that you've customized your browsing modes, the next step is privacy protection. Ulaa lets you choose your level of online privacy, offering 2 main options: Standard and Extreme. Both modes include essential features like ad blocking and tracking and analytics blocking. However, if you choose Extreme, you also unlock Stealth mode, search ads and self-promotion blocking, URL tracking prevention, and cookie blocking. Select the level of protection you prefer and click Continue. You will then set your dashboard settings, which is your homepage. You can select the Smart Dashboard, which provides widgets and quick stats like your privacy report, or the Minimal Dashboard, which is cleaner, offering just the search bar and top sites. Following this, you can pick a browser theme that matches your mood, choosing between the bright light theme or the sleek dark theme, before clicking Continue again. The setup continues by letting you choose your default search engine. Ulaa doesn't lock you into one choice, giving you options like DuckDuckGo, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo India, Yandex, or Google. Select a one you trust most, or plan to add your own later, and click Continue. Next, you have the option to import data. Switching browsers is easy, as Ulaa can bring over your bookmarks, history, and search engine settings from an existing browser like Microsoft Internet Explorer or others listed in the dropdown. Choose the browser and the items you want to import, or click Not Now to skip. Finally, you have the choice to sign in and sync your bookmarks and settings across devices using your Ulaa Zoho account, or click Skip and Start Browsing if you prefer to keep your data local. Now you have the Ulaa browser successfully installed and set up, and you can start browsing. So that was all for this video. If you want to watch a video on 11 insane use cases for the Comet AI browser, click on the video appearing on your screen.